Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to highlight differences in stock levels between two sheets across all versions of Excel. We have two sheets. Sheet 1 contains the current stock levels, while Sheet 2 shows the available stock in the warehouse. First, select the range of cells in Sheet 1 that you want to format. In our case, this is the quantity column, which is C2 to C11. Now, go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, and select New Rule. Choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, enter the formula. This formula checks if the quantity in Sheet 1 matches the quantity in Sheet 2. Click on the Format button, choose a green fill color, and click OK. Next, we need to add another rule to highlight the differences. With the same range still selected, go back to Conditional Formatting and select New Rule again. Choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format and enter the formula. This formula checks if the quantity in Sheet 1 is different from the quantity in Sheet 2. Click on Format and choose a red fill color. Your cells will now show green if the quantities match and red if they don't. Noticed? These formulas only directly compares the value in cell C2 of the active sheet to the value in cell C2 of Sheet 2. However, when you apply this conditional formatting rule to a range of cells, Excel automatically adjusts the cell references based on the relative position of the cell, allowing you to compare C3 with C3, C4 with C4, and so on. This is a key feature of how conditional formatting operates in Excel. Prior to Excel 2010, you cannot references to other worksheets in conditional formatting formulas. If you plan to share your workbook with others who uses old Excel version, you need to avoid using references to other worksheets. Rather, define a name for the cell range, then use the name in place of the cell reference in your conditional formatting formula. First, select the quantity range in Sheet 2. In the name box, which is to the left of the formula bar, type a name for this range, such as quantity, and press Enter. Now, go back to Sheet 1 and select the quantity range again. Go to Conditional Formatting and choose New Rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format and enter the formula using named ranges. Format this rule with a green fill color and click OK. Next, add another rule for differences using the formula. Format this rule with a red fill color. By using this method, you can ensure that your conditional formatting formulas, which reference other sheets, will work seamlessly across all versions of Excel. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.